In 2026, buying a mirrorless camera has never been easier, yet also more confusing. Affordable cameras can now deliver professional quality results, but the market is flooded with options, and most people end up choosing based on hype rather than real-world performance. The truth is, you don't need the most expensive camera to create great photos or videos. You need the right camera for the way you actually shoot. In this video, I'll guide you through the top 6 budget mirrorless cameras under $1,000, ranked from number 6 to number 1, based on practical performance, reliability, and long-term value. This isn't a spec sheet comparison. It's a real-world guide to help beginners, photographers, YouTubers, travelers, or anyone planning an upgrade pick the camera that makes sense for them. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which camera will save you time, money, and frustration. Let's begin with number 6. Number 6. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is a camera designed for portability and consistent performance, making it ideal for beginners and travelers who want high-quality results without heavy gear. It features a 20-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor that balances image detail with a compact design, producing clean, vibrant photos in daylight and controlled lighting, though low-light performance is modest compared to APS-C sensors. Its standout feature is 5-axis in-body image stabilization, keeping handheld shots sharp and 4K video at 30 frames per second smooth without a gimbal. Slow-motion content is supported at 1080p, up to 120 frames per second, while the fully articulating 3-inch LCD touchscreen makes vlogging, selfies, and low-angle shots easy. The 121-point contrast detect autofocus reliably tracks subjects for everyday shooting. Weighing just 383 grams and offering roughly 360 shots per battery charge, it's light and travel-friendly. Combined with the extensive micro Four Thirds lens ecosystem, the OMD EM10 Mark IV delivers versatility, portability, and stabilization that few cameras at this price can match. It may not excel in low-light or cinematic video, but for casual photography, travel, or vlogging, it's an excellent entry-level mirrorless camera. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T30 II. The Fujifilm X-T30 II appeals to creators who value image quality, color science, and aesthetic control. Fujifilm has long been celebrated for its film simulations and natural color rendering, and this camera continues that tradition, making it one of the most emotionally satisfying cameras to use in this price category. Under the hood, it features a 26-megapixel APS-C X-Trans sensor, delivering sharp images with rich detail and excellent dynamic range. For video, the X-T30 II records 4K UHD up to 30 frames per second, while full HD can be captured at 120 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion sequences. Its 3-inch tilting touchscreen allows flexibility for vlogging, street photography, or low-angle shots, and the hybrid autofocus system includes 425 points with face and eye detection, ensuring subjects remain sharp even when moving. One trade-off is the absence of in-body stabilization, meaning handheld video requires careful technique or stabilized lenses. However, the X-mount lens lineup, though not as extensive as some competitors, offers optically exceptional lenses that reward careful composition. Battery life reaches approximately 430 shots per charge, and the camera body weighs 378 grams, striking a balance between portability and professional feel. The experience of using the X-T30 II is deliberate. It encourages thoughtful shooting, rewarding photographers who take time to frame, compose, and adjust for optimal results. For creators who prioritize color, consistency, and photographic expression, it is difficult to beat this camera under $1,000. Photographers and videographers who value creative control, strong color rendition, and high-quality output in a compact body. Number 4. Sony ZV-E10. The Sony ZV-E10 is a pragmatic camera designed specifically for content creators and solo video producers. Unlike cameras built for photographic expression, its strengths lie in ease of use, autofocus reliability, and flexibility with video workflows. This camera features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C-CMOS sensor, which delivers sharp and detailed images suitable for both photography and video. Video recording is available in 4K UHD at up to 30 frames per second, with full HD recording at 120 frames per second for slow motion effects. The fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen is ideal for vloggers, allowing easy framing for talking head videos or dynamic filming angles. The autofocus system, a fast hybrid AF with 425 phase and contrast points and real-time tracking, ensures that subjects remain in focus even during movement, which is a critical feature for solo creators who cannot rely on a focus puller. One limitation is the lack of in-body stabilization. While electronic and lens stabilization help, handheld footage with significant movement can exhibit minor shakes, which may require a gimbal for more professional video work. The camera weighs 343 grams, making it highly portable, and with an approximate battery life of 440 shots per charge, it can handle day-long shoots without frequent recharging. Coupled with Sony's extensive E-mount lens ecosystem, this camera can grow with a creator as they upgrade lenses or accessories. The ZV-E10 is designed to remove friction from the creative process, allowing creators to focus on content rather than technical complications. For anyone producing video content regularly, particularly solo creators, it offers one of the most logical, reliable choices under $1,000 in 2026. Solo content creators, vloggers, and beginners seeking a reliable, easy-to-use camera with strong video capabilities and autofocus performance. Number 3. Nikon Z50 II. The Nikon Z50 II represents a balanced hybrid option for creators who want both solid photography and reliable video capabilities in a compact system. At its core, it features a 20.9 megapixel APS-C-CMOS sensor paired with Nikon's XSpeed 6 image processor, delivering crisp images with a wide dynamic range and controlled noise at higher ISO settings. This combination ensures that both landscape shots and indoor photography maintain detail and color accuracy, making it versatile for multiple types of work. For video, the Z50 II records in 4K UHD up to 30 frames per second, producing sharp and natural footage, while full HD can reach up to 120 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion sequences. The camera also supports Nikon's hybrid autofocus with 209 focus points, which includes eye detection for humans and animals, ensuring that moving subjects remain in sharp focus during both photography and video. The fully articulating 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen allows creators to frame shots from unconventional angles, making vlogging and self-recording straightforward. It lacks in-body stabilization, but the system is compatible with Nikon's Z-mount stabilized lenses, which partially offsets this limitation for handheld shooting. Battery life supports roughly 320 shots per charge, while the camera body weighs 395 grams, striking a balance between ergonomics and portability. In practice, the Z50 II shines as a well-rounded camera. It performs reliably for everyday photography, travel, and moderate video production, while offering a growing Z-mount lens ecosystem for future expansion. Its combination of portability, image quality, and hybrid functionality positions it as a strong mid-tier choice under $1,000. Creators and photographers seeking a versatile hybrid camera that performs well in both stills and video, with room to grow into a larger system. Number 2. Sony A6400. The Sony A6400 is a compact camera that bridges enthusiast-level performance and professional flexibility. Its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers highly detailed images with excellent dynamic range, making it great for landscapes, portraits, and indoor shooting. The Bionz X processor ensures fast performance with minimal noise, ideal for action and event photography. Video is a standout feature. The A6400 shoots 4K UHD at 30 frames per second with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, while full HD can reach 120 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion footage. Autofocus is highly reliable, with 425 phase detection points and real-time IAF for both humans and animals. The 3-inch tilting LCD provides flexible framing for vlogging, though it's less convenient for front-facing shots, and the camera lacks in-body stabilization, so stabilized lenses or gimbals are recommended. With around 410 shots per battery charge and a 403-gram body, the A6400 is portable yet durable. Combined with Sony's extensive E-mount lens ecosystem, it's versatile and perfect for photographers or videographers who want a hybrid camera that can grow with their creative needs. This makes it an ideal choice for enthusiasts and semi-professionals seeking high-performance autofocus and video under $1,000. Number 1. Canon EOS R50. Topping the list is the Canon EOS R50, a mirrorless camera designed to deliver modern performance, creative flexibility, and ease of use in one compact package. Its 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor provides high-resolution stills with clean, natural colors and strong dynamic range, making it an excellent tool for photographers who value image quality and realism. For video creators, the EOS R50 records in 4K UHD up to 30 frames per second and supports full HD at 120 frames per second for smooth, slow motion. Dual pixel CMOS. AF ensures highly reliable real-time tracking of both faces and eyes, maintaining sharp focus during dynamic movements, which is crucial for solo creators, vloggers, and small production teams. The fully articulating 3-inch LCD screen makes framing from any angle effortless, whether shooting overhead, low to the ground, or for vlogging in front of the camera. The camera includes electronic image stabilization to reduce minor handheld shake, but more intensive stabilization can be achieved with Canon's IS-enabled lenses. Battery life reaches approximately 400 shots per charge, and the camera body weighs 387 grams, which is comfortable for extended handheld shooting. The Canon RFS lens ecosystem is growing rapidly, providing users with flexible options ranging from affordable primes to advanced zooms, ensuring that this camera can evolve alongside the user's creative journey. In daily use, the EOS R50 combines speed, versatility, and reliability. Autofocus is intuitive and responsive, video quality is professional grade for its class, and image output is pleasing straight out of the camera. For those seeking a modern, capable, and fully rounded mirrorless system under $1,000, the Canon EOS R50 represents the most compelling option in 2026. Beginners to intermediate photographers and videographers who want a balanced, reliable system that excels in both stills and video, with room to grow in lenses and creative capability. For portability and stabilized handheld shooting, the Olympus OM-D-EM10 Mark IV is a great choice. If you value creative control and vibrant color, the Fujifilm X-T30 II is ideal. Solo content creators will benefit from the Sony ZV-E10's reliable video and autofocus, while the Nikon Z50 II offers a versatile balance for both photos and videos. For high-performance hybrid shooting with excellent autofocus, the Sony A6400 is impressive. And for the most complete, modern, and flexible system under $1,000, the Canon EOS R50 is the best overall option. Comment below which camera you're planning to get, and hit like if this video helped you choose your 2026 upgrade. Your engagement helps me bring more detailed, honest camera guides straight to you.